Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a content calendar in Coda that will keep your content organized, on schedule, and easy to manage. Creating a content calendar in Coda is easier than you might think. Start by opening Coda and creating a new doc. Add a table and name it Content Calendar. Include essential columns like date, content type, topic, status, and assigned to. This structure allows you to track everything from brainstorming ideas to publishing your content. For the status column, add options like idea, draft, review, and published, so you always know what stage each piece of content is in. You can also include a priority column to mark urgent or high-impact tasks. Switch to Coda's calendar view to visualize all your content by date. This helps you never miss deadlines and plan weeks ahead. Share the doc with your team, set proper permissions, and link tasks to other Coda docs like campaign plans, asset libraries, or research notes. Use reminders and automations to get notifications when tasks are due or status changes. Regularly review and update your calendar, adjust timelines, and plan ahead. With these steps, your content workflow becomes fully organized, collaborative, and highly efficient. That's it for today. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.